Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So I just want to make a quick video showing again how to use the graphing calculator to calculate our standard deviation of the mean. So yesterday we went through the long process of taking a data set, calculating the mean by hand, which of course incorporates adding everything up and dividing by your total values, how many you have of it. And then we went through this long process where we subtracted each value from the mean, we squared it, okay? We found the sum of all these values. And once we got that sum, right, okay, we divided by n minus 1 because they sample population, which means less than 30. And finally, we took the square root to get our standard deviation, okay? Now, this took us time. We want to be able to move quickly through this so that we can use this to determine if our data is close to the mean or not, right? Which again, in reference to 0, this is a fairly large number. That shows that this data is pretty widespread. So here are our steps again, using this graphing calculator, okay? Let's see here. I'm gonna try to give you guys the best possible view. All right, so my calculator, okay, we have the stat button, which is 2 to the right of alpha. If I hit enter here, right, edit. Now I have a bunch of data in here from earlier. You can, by hand, if you want, hit this delete button, right? But again, if you'd like a shortcut, take your arrow key, cover the L1, hit the clear button, clear and enter. So now it's all cleared out, right? I am just going to input my values now. So I'm looking at these test scores or whatever data set you might be dealing with, 22, 99, 22, 33, 57, 75, 100, 81, 62, 29. All right. Once I have these values in here, all right, a good rule of thumb whenever you're on the calculator, if you want to get out of a menu, you hit second and quit. All right, second is blue, the quit's written in blue. They color coded it for you guys. All right, now I want to find, let's say I want to find the mean. The stat button's great. I want what's behind it, which is, highlighted in blue, says list. Second stat pulls up this. If I hit the right arrow key twice, right, I have some wonderful things here: mean, median, standard deviation. So if I highlight the mean, hit enter, I'm back to my home screen. Now it's really hard to see in this camera, I apologize. Behind the 1 in green is an L1, which stands for our list 1. So if I hit the green button followed by 1, oops, my apologies, it's second. There we go. So blue button, sorry, I got my colors mixed up. So second 1 pulls up your list 1, okay? My mean is 66, great. But even more so, blue stat, math, standard deviation, okay? Second, L1 again, 30.43, okay? Or 44 if I round to 2 decimal places. So just a quick little show of the steps I could take for finding standard deviation or my mean. All right, we'll be using stat again, finding lists and so on. Okay, I hope that helped. As always, keep up the good work and good luck. We're all counting on you.